Good evening, students. Today we will learn laws of exponent. There are some laws related with the exponent, and that law we have made by some activity. So see, for this law, I am doing one calculation, then I will speak this law. For example, 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. So you see here bases are same and power are different. So how we can write this? 3 to the power 2 can be written as 3 into 3, and this multiplication. This how we can write? 3 to the power 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what we observe? 3 to the power, here 2 times, here 4 times. So total you count, and in between also multiplication. So all are product only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write like this way. It means 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 became 3 to the power 6. So we have framed one law that if this 6 will come by addition of these 2 plus 4. It means 2 plus 4 is this. So this is only this law. So x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. Means this will be added. Bases will be same, and in between multiplication, then power will be added. And you see for division. For division here I am doing. For example, I am solving one question. 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3. So how we will solve this? 4 to the power 5 means I can write like this way, division sign by this way. So it will become 4 to the power 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 4. And this 4 into 4 into 4 3 times. So 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3 can be written by this way, and then we can cancel same numbers are. So what left? 4 to the power 2. So how these 2 we are getting? 4 to the power 2 how? We can get by one another way. 4 to the power 5 minus 4 to the 4 to the power 5 minus 3 is equal to 4 to the power 2. Means when in between division sign is there, then we subtract their power. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here also by calculation we are getting same thing. So in future now, instead of solving this long procedure, this is the long procedure. Instead of solving by this way, we will do directly this method. So this comes under this law. We will write this law and direct we can solve instead of solving this much. For multiplication, instead of doing what we can do, we will add their power. Simply how we will write? 3 to the power 2 plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 6. Here also we have got. So this much calculation we will not do. Instead of this, what we will do? We will do direct, we will add their power. So multiplication means add and division means subtract. So this is worksheet 3 question number 2. One is very easy, that is fill in the blanks. You can see true and false is there. So here nothing given. Nothing given means what is here? What power is here? I think you are some students may think 0. But if it will be 0, then this entire value will be 1. Because any base except 0, x to the power 0 is equal to what we have learnt in previous module. We have learnt 1. So this is not 1. So this minus 2 upon 3 to the power nothing means minus 2 upon 3 to the power 1 is there. Means what power is here? 1. And here multiplication, so we will add 1 plus 3. Here what answer will come in? Fill in the blanks. 4. 1 and in multiplication, so 1 plus 3 4. So this is our answer. Here you see what I will write here, and division sign is there, means we have to subtract their power. Bases are same, we have to subtract their power. So what I will write, so that when I subtract this power we will get 8. So think over that what I should write. This minus 8 is equal to 8. So obviously this will come 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now simplify and express into exponential form. Question number 3. means we have to solve and write answer in exponential form. So think over this. This is incomplete portion, I have not completed. Bases are same, you can see all the bases are same. So what is the law? This law. We can add their power if the bases are here. There are three numbers are there in which all the bases are same. So we will add all their powers. So 15 plus 5 plus 10. All three power will be added because in between multiplication sign. So this will become 11 upon 12 to the power. This will become 30. So this is our answer. So we will not solve because it is hard to write in exponential form. So this our answer is in exponential form. So your homework is question number 1, 2, 3 only. Only question number 1, 2, 3 of worksheet 3. Solve it.